The Oppo K13 Turbo Pro was officially launched in China on July 21, 2025, with sales starting from July 25, 2025. It's positioned as a performance-centric device, especially targeting gamers, and boasts some unique features. Here's a detailed breakdown of its pros, cons, special features, and an overall conclusion. For pros, exceptional performance. Snapdragon 8's Gen 4 chipset and UFS 4.0 storage provide top-tier speed for gaming and multitasking. Advanced cooling system. Built-in micro-centrifugal fan and large vapor chamber effectively manage heat, preventing throttling during intense use. Impressive battery life. Massive 7,000 mAh battery for extended usage, complemented by 5-year battery durability claim. Blazing fast charging. 80W wired fast charging gets you back in action quickly, with bypass charging for uninterrupted gaming. High-quality display. 6.8-inch AMOLED with 120Hz refresh rate and 1600 nits peak brightness offers a smooth and vibrant visual experience. Gaming-centric features. Frame generation, resolution upscaling, Super HDR, and haptic feedback enhance the gaming experience. Robust durability. IPX6, IPX8, and IPX9 water resistance ratings are uncommon for phones with active cooling, making it surprisingly resilient. Useful additional features. Stereo speakers, IR blaster, and reverse wired charging add to its utility. Latest software. Ships with Android 15 and ColorOS 15. For cons. Camera system. While the 50MP main sensor with OIS is decent, the 2MP secondary sensor is largely insignificant. It lacks an ultra-wide lens, which is a common expectation in this price range. No expandable storage. The absence of a microSD card slot means you're limited to the internal storage options. No 3.5mm headphone jack. A common omission in modern smartphones, but still a con for users who prefer wired audio. USB Type-C 2.0. While functional, USB 2.0 speeds for data transfer are outdated compared to USB 3.0 or higher found on some flagships. Limited global availability. Initial currently confirmed for China. Global release is uncertain and may take time. For special features. Built-in micro-centrifugal cooling fan. This is the most standout feature, ensuring sustained performance by actively dissipating heat. It's designed to be quiet and surprisingly durable, even with the water resistance. IPX6/IPX8/IPX9 water resistance. Highly unusual for a phone with an active cooling fan, offering robust protection against water. 7,000 mAh battery with 5-year durability. A massive battery capacity coupled with a promise of long-term battery health is a significant advantage for heavy users. Bypass charging allows the phone to draw power directly from the charger, bypassing the battery during gaming, which reduces heat generation and prolongs battery life. Snapdragon 8's Gen 4. A powerful, gaming-focused chipset that delivers flagship-level performance. Gaming optimizations. Dedicated features like frame generation and resolution upscaling aim to provide a superior gaming experience. Infrared, IR, blaster. Enables the phone to function as a universal remote control for various household appliances. Overall conclusion. The Oppo K13 Turbo Pro is a highly specialized smartphone designed primarily for mobile gamers and power users who demand sustained performance. Its unique active cooling system, combined with the powerful Snapdragon 8's Gen 4 and a massive 7,000 mAh battery, sets it apart in the mid-range to upper mid-range segment. The inclusion of bypass charging and the impressive IPX water resistance ratings, despite the fan, are significant engineering achievements and practical benefits. While the camera system isn't its primary focus and lacks an ultra-wide lens, it's still capable for general use, especially with OIS on the main sensor and AI enhancements. The absence of expandable storage and a 3.5mm jack are common compromises in this market. If you are a serious mobile gamer or someone who pushes their smartphone to its limits and values sustained performance, long battery life, and innovative cooling, the Oppo K13 Turbo Pro appears to be an excellent choice. However, If camera versatility, especially in ultra-wide, or a headphone jack are high on your priority list, you might need to consider alternatives. Its competitive pricing in China makes it a compelling option for its target audience. The key will be its eventual global availability and pricing.